DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. So it's a programming interface for HTML documents. So we can say it provides an API for programming languages to change the document structure, style, and content. And what I mean by document is a web page. So a web page is a document which can be viewed in a browser. And this is how it's usually done, or as the HTML source document as well. So DOM treats HTML elements in a document and the document itself as objects. Then it creates a logical tree for this document. So let's go back to the sample page and view the DOM tree. So here's our sample page. It's pretty simple, and it's displayed like this now. So to view the DOM tree and other features, we need to use the Web Developer tool. So I can also open it by pressing Control-Shift-I. So this is the Developer tool interface. Now under the Inspector tab, you can view current DOM tree. And every element in an HTML document, such as tables, headers, text, and even the document itself is defined as an object for DOM. And they are represented hierarchically in the DOM tree. So look at this. By clicking this little icon here on the upper left-hand corner, an element or DOM object can be directly inspected. And there is an image object here. So already it has a source attribute. But with this inline JavaScript, the source will be changed when the user clicks on the image. Also under the DOM tab, we can observe the properties, methods, and their current values. As you can see, the list is going down way below when you scroll down. And by using the DOM methods and properties, you can add, delete, or change any element in an HTML document. So let's close the Developer tool and view the page source. Scroll down a little bit. And here's the image that we're looking for. See the value of source attribute inspector.png and the JavaScript code that will run when the user clicks on it. So you can manipulate the DOM with scripting languages such as JavaScript. Now for web development purposes, generally JavaScript is used, but DOM can also be built for any language such as Python and many other scripting languages. And that's the most important part of DOM. So now let's close up this tab and click on the image. The image has changed. So this means that we change the value of the source attribute. So now let's view the page source again. And I think you see what I see. There's no change. It's still the same. So then let's close the tab and return to the page. Open the Developer tool by pressing the shortcut Control-Shift-I and inspect the image element. As you can see, we can observe the change here in the DOM. So an important thing here to stress is that the original HTML source document is not always exactly the same as the DOM tree, because you can use JavaScript to change anything in the source. Now, another important feature of DOM is when there is something wrong, something not valid in the HTML document, DOM can also validate the document. Now, although it's an important topic, I really think that that's pretty much enough talk about it. Let's move on, shall we?